Hello, hello, magandang araw. Welcome back sa lahat ng Capricorn. At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, o in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love sa inyong Tagalog. Love reading ngayon na Mismo. So, ang gagawin natin today, Capricorn, ay ang inyong quick energy check-in. At alamin natin yung kaganapan sa inyo ngayong mag end ng love month and magsisimula ang panibagong buwan. Okay? So, sige, ang gagawin natin ay gagamit ako ng dalawang tarot decks and bubunot ako ng two cards each from the for the recent past, tapos two cards sa present and two cards sa near future. And uh, supporting details yung second deck. Alamin natin anong kaganapan sa inyo. At habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Capricorn na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you po. Maraming salamat. At sa mga bagong nakasubaybay, sana supportahan niyo po ang aking channel by liking this video, sharing it sa mga kilala niyo pong Capricorn na nangangailangan ng guidance from the universe and engage na kayo sa comment section. At syempre, subscribe na sa aking channel para mag-grow po siya at hopefully mag-improve din yung aking setup. But for now, this will do. Okay, sige, simulan na natin. Okay, so in the recent past, okay, Three of Coins, the Fool, present, Six of Coins, the Sun, oh, and in the near future, Seven of Cups, and Nine of Wands. Okay, ayan, so far okay naman. Okay. So there's a very strong energy of Aries and Aquarius, saka Leo. So pwedeng yun yung zodiac signs ng person ninyo, but doesn't have to yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap ko sa reading na ito. Okay, sige, interpret na natin. So, in the recent past, there was a new beginning between the two of you. So, pwedeng, ang nakikita ko dito kasi with the three of, three of coins, it's collaboration, planning life together, and nag-grow yung relationship niyo. So, it's a current situation, fresh start. What energy I can see here is na level up na kayo sa relationship ninyo. So, meaning in the recent past, kung nagliliguan kayo, naging kayo na, or kung kayo na in the recent past, na-engage kayo, or nagpakasal kayo. So, alam mo yun, from level 1, nag-level 2 kayo, or even level 3, level 4 sa relationship. So, that's the recent past, and it's you're enjoying the new phase. It's a fresh, bawat phase kasi, di ba, parang it's a fresh start, di ba? Parang parang new adventures, uh, new adventures between you and your person. Okay? Ayun. So, sa present moment, sobrang happy nyo together as shown here by the Sun card. Okay, so Sun card is a card of happiness and it's a successful connection and relationship. Lalo na kakabit niya si Six of um, Coins, which is a card of reciprocation. And very grateful kayo sa isa't isa na love niyong isa't isa. And well reciprocated, hindi siya one-sided love. Again, hindi siya one-sided love. So, well reciprocated ang bawat isa't isa sa relationship na to. So, it's a good um, present situation, di ba? Dahil happy kayo together. Okay, in the near future, lumabas si Seven of Cups, which is um, may indecision lang na magaganap, pero clarify natin yung mamaya. So, and si Nine of Wands, parang, yun eh, parang may decision na kailangang gawin, pero magiging okay naman ang lahat because uh, Ninth Wands is a card of resilience. So, yung whatever decision na ay may mapapagdaanan kayo na nangangailangan ng desisyon at kailangan siya upuan, hindi siya dapat binabasta-basta lang. So, kailangan siyang pag-isipan ng maayos. And as shown here in the Nine of Wands is, magiging okay naman. Malalampasan niyo naman yun. And whatever decision that you will do is for the benefit and the good of both parties. Okay, pero clarify natin. Ano bang mga kaganapan? Bakit lumabas yan? Itong each set. At habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong remind ang lahat na this is a collective reading. So, it may or may not resonate. Kapag hindi nag-resonate, ibig sabihin, hindi para sa inyo itong reading na to. Okay, huwag pilitin. Ah, Ano lang, hindi ko lang talaga nasagap yung energy niyo for this collective reading. So, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Baka yun ay mag-resonate na sa inyo. Okay, sige. Ayan. So, alamin natin anong kaganapan. See. Recent past. Okay. Ace of Pentacles and Two of Swords. Okay, so Ace of Pentacles is para siya, same siya ng energy ni The Fool. So it's uh, having a fresh start, pero nag-invest kayo sa isa't isa, yung nag-invest kayo emotionally, di ba? And maybe you also did an investment together, so nagkaroon ng simula. And shown here by the Two of Swords, you took a risk to level up the relationship. Okay, di ba nag-level up kayo nga sa relationship, new phase. So, you took a risk and it went well. And yung risk na yun ended up something good kasi happy kayo at the present moment. Balik na natin, ano pang kaganapan? Okay, Six of Wands and Five of uh, Pentacles. So, si Six of Wands is um, it's a card of victory and teamwork. Alam mo yun, you support each other kasi. Kaya masaya kayo kasi sinusuportahan nyo yung isa't isa. And kahit lumabas tong Five of Pentacles, ang nakikita ko dito is um, there's no lack of love and affection. Kahit na lumabas to, I don't see lack of love and affection. Punong-puno nga eh. Kaya siya kumabit dito sa Six of Wands. Parang ninenegate ni Six of Wands yung Five of Pentacles. Okay? And um, yung yung happiness na meron kayo sa isa't isa, whatever na din, kung meron man na mga issues or I mean, parang, syempre, hindi naman lahat ng relationship perfect, di ba? Meron pa rin na parang may kulang sa ganitong aspeto, may kulang sa ganyang aspeto, but it doesn't affect the connection, the love, the relationship. Okay? Kasi nga, very uh, good itong relationship. Grateful na kayo sa isa't isa na nagkakilala kayo at nagka-inlaban kayo, di ba? So, that's the beauty of it. Okay? Everything, wala, maging victorious kayo pagdating sa love, sa connection na ito. Kasi nga sinusuportahan nyo ang isa't isa. And in the near future yun, ito yung gusto kong i-clarify. Bakit lumabas yung Seven of Cups? And ano yung, ano lang, mga desisyon na kailangan yung gawin na malalampasan nyo rin yun. Okay. Sige, tingin mo, from Four of Cups to Nine of Cups. Okay, so si Four of Cups kasi is a card of um, discontent. Alam mo yun, parang may gusto pa kayong mangyari, maganap. Kaka-level up niyo pa lang, pero parang gusto niyo na mag-level up more. Pero ah, facing reality, hindi pa naman agad-agad dapat. Dapat nga, yun, nilay-nilayan siya. Pero ah, same to eh. Same yung Nine of Wands and Nine of Cups energy na may lalampasan niyo naman siya. And whatever yung mga gusto niyo mangyari, it will happen as long as you really stick dun sa connection and sa love. So, everything will be alright naman. Okay? So, there will be some decisions connected to wanting something more in the relationship, di ba? Mag-level up, but everything will go well. Tapos, ayun, ang galing eh, kasi, tingnan mo, parang, nagkatapat yung 6 and 6699. Okay, so, pwedeng very significant yung number 6 and number 9. Sa inyo, pwedeng 6th of the month, 9th of the month. Okay, may magiging something significant. Okay, ayan. So, seal natin yung reading with an oracle card, which is yung magiging message sa inyo. Why the universe? Okay. Gusto nyo iparating. Subscribe na kayo. Okay, time to rekindle. Okay. So, itong card na to, time to rekindle, is the universe, okay, saying na, wag mo kaya ma-impluwensyahan ka din nung mga external factors. Okay? And yung mantra dito, basahin ko yung from the deck. Yung mantra niya is, I am becoming more conscious and transforming my mundane and routine existence into a quality life. I connect my inner essence to everything around me. So, I think it's related lalo na dun sa decision na kailangan yung gawin. So, you have to really um, see ano bang mga gusto nyo, di ba? Para everything will go well, di ba? And as you can see here, it will go well, di ba? Whatever yung mga gusto nyo pang mangyari or level up sa relationship dito, mangyari naman siya. Uh, Parang ito, sinasabi lang din ni Universe na may assurance to na kapag tinuloy-tuloy nyo itong pagmamahalan na to, and malalaman nyo what's the right thing to do and to choose in perfect timing. Okay? So, I hope na nag-resonate itong reading na to. Napakaganda naman. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Okay? Muli, ako si Mystico Moreno. In short, mismo. Ingat kayo. Kita-kits!